Hello guys, and welcome back to part 2 of the tutorial in which we're going to start creating the website. So you want to open up Mobirise, go to the left hand side corner and select Sites, create new, and I'll call it tutorial, and select the Mobirise 3 theme, click OK, and you get a blank page. Now you want to go to add block to page, click the full screen intro, and the first thing we want to do is change the background image. So go to block parameters, click on the image, and then go to browse computer and click on whatever image that you want. Hit OK and it will change the image for you. Now that that's done, what we want to do is we want to disable this arrow, the buttons, and this text right here. So the way you do that is you open up block parameters and you disable show arrow, show buttons, and show text. And then we want to change the text to say the man on top of the mountain didn't just fall there. Right? Now, if we compare this to my example website, you can see that the text looks a little bit different, and the reason why that is because it has another font and another font size. So there are a couple ways you can change this. You can either click on the text, click on the more arrow, and then you can change the font in here and the font size right here. But since I want the same font on the whole page, I'm just going to go to the edit style button, and I'm gonna go to fonts, and for the title I'm gonna have it say railway. For the subtitle I'm gonna have it say railway as well, and then while I'm at it I'm gonna disable animation on scroll. Okay, so now the only thing that we need to change is the font size. So click on it, click the more arrow, and then change the font size to say 60, and that takes care of the header section of the website. Now we want to get started creating this part you can see right here. So to do that, you want to go to add block to page, and you want to scroll down until you find the solid color intro with image. Click on that, and the first thing we want to do is disable the button and move the image to the right side. So go to block parameters and media on left side and disable show button. Okay, now let's change the text to say welcome to Matterhorn, and just like we did up here, we're going to change the font size. So go to font size, and I'm going to change it to maybe 36, something like that. And I'm also going to change the color of the font to be sort of a reddish color, and then finally paste in some dummy text. I'm actually going to show you where you can get dummy text if you want that for your own project. So just go to lipsum.com and you can find this whole page that is filled with just dummy text that you can copy and paste onto your website. So I'm going to copy and paste a little bit of this text, and let's see, there we go. So now we just need to change this image. So click on the image, the little image icon, browse computer. I'm going to select the happy couple on the mountain and hit OK. And let me see here. The final thing I want to do is I want to increase the size of this image a little bit. So go to block parameters and increase the media size to about 55. Something like that looks good. So that's going to be it for part 2. In part 3, we're going to finish up creating the website, and then in part 4, we'll take a look at the custom CSS. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in part 3.